is your spacious living and dining area, kitchen space, where you will be getting two parallel platforms along with the master bedroom where you can easily play. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Metro Regalia by Metro Group located in Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel, where you can see the construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.5 acres. As you can see in the model, it will have one tower of ground plus 24 floors having 3 BHK residences. Also, duplex options are available. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 35 plus amenities. As you can see in the model, it will have an infinity swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, cricket turf, indoor games, kids play area, mini theatre and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Pokhran 1 U Road, Thane, from where upcoming Borivali Thane tunnel is only at a distance of 5 minutes. Upcoming metro station is also only at a distance of 5 minutes. You have Thane railway station at a distance of 10 minutes drive, and you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are standing at the 3 BHK of Metro Regalia. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1290 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. Also, you can see your living is very spacious to fit a gathering of 10 to 12 people at the same time, and attached to your living, you will be getting sliding doors with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs and place your swings and enjoy a beautiful view from your balcony. And in this corner, we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy meals with your friends and family. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms. But before that, on this side, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can see the kitchen is very spacious. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets. Also, attached to your kitchen, you will be getting sliding doors with a utility balcony where you can place your washing machine. You can also see your space provided to place your refrigerator. And now opposite to your kitchen is your powder washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And outside your powder washroom, you have an extra utility space. Moving forward towards the bedrooms, over here we have a first bedroom, and as we enter towards the right of the entrance is the attached washroom of your bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your bedroom where you can fit your king size bed, your side tables. You can customize your wardrobe as you have enough space for wardrobe space. You have walkable space even after placing your furniture. Again, in this bedroom, you will be getting sliding doors with a balcony. And now let's move to the second bedroom. Opposite to your first bedroom is a master bedroom that we'll show you at the last. Before that, this over here is your second bedroom which has a spacious foyer area that gives your bedroom privacy. Again, to the right of the entrance is your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your bedroom. You can place your king size bed, or you can make this your kids' bedroom. You can see you have plenty of walkable space. You can make your study corner, customize your TV unit, or utilize this as per your choice. Again, you have a very spacious wardrobe corner that you can customize by your choice. And you will be getting sliding doors with a balcony. And now let's move to the master bedroom, and before that let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you will again get a foyer area for your privacy, and towards the left of the entrance is your private washroom that you can see is very spacious. If you want to fit a bathtub, you have that space. If you want to fit a bathtub, you have that space, and the washroom will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this is the space of your master bedroom where you can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have plenty of walkable space. You can make a seating corner as well. You can customize your makeup corner. The wardrobe space that is provided is again very spacious, and again you have sliding doors with a very spacious balcony attached to your master bedroom. You can place your swings, tea tables, tea chairs and enjoy the view from your bedroom. And this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Metro Regalia. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Metro Regalia by Metro Group located in Thane.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.